Hello everyone. So in our previous video we understood that how to make a bomb chart, right? So in today's video we will add circles on the bomb chart. Okay. So let's start bomb chart with circle. So bomb chart means the normal line chart, right? And circle means the circle chart. So if I combine both, then we will create dual axis concept, right? So let's start the same bomb chart. I'll just pick up order date into column. As we have only 2015 here, then I'll just expand it to quarter. Then I'll just drag and drop cell into rows and region into color. Okay. So then to create a bomb chart, go to the sum of cells, go to the drop down list, click on this quick table calculation and click on rank. Then click on this one and click on computerizing, then click on region, and I will make it as interview. Okay. So this one we have done in our previous video, right? If you have not watched that video, then I'll just provide that link in my description box. So go and watch that video. Okay. But here we want dual axis chart, right? So just control click the sum of cell and duplicate this. Okay. So next just convert it into dual axis. Click on this drop down option and click on this dual axis. Okay. If you don't know about dual axis, then I will pin that link in my description box also. You can just watch that video. So I'll just convert this sum of cell, second one, into circle. Okay. This one. Because we want bomb chart with circle, right? And see, here bomb chart with circle is ready now. Okay. So now if you want to give the ranking also, you can give. Just control click this second sum of cells. Okay. And drag and drop into level. See, you can see the ranking also. Okay. So like if I want this number in between this circle. Okay. Just click on this label, click on this alignment one and click on middle alignment. Okay. So what do you observe from this chart? You can quickly identify that for the central region in quarter 1 it was in rank 2 and in quarter 2 also it was still in rank 2, right? Same in east region, in quarter 1 it was in rank 3. But in quarter 2 it was in rank 1, and for south region you can see both in quarter 1 and quarter 2 it was in rank 4, and in west region you can see the quarter 1 the rank was 1 and in quarter 2 the rank was 3, so that you can easily identify. Okay. So if I will convert it into month, okay, and click on presentation mode. Okay, so let's check for central region. In January month the rank was 4, in February month the rank was 2, again in March month the rank was 3, again it comes to 4, then in May it comes to 3, and again it comes to rank 2. In this way you can see for the east region, south region and west region. Let's do escape. Okay. So let's rename the sheet as bomb chart with circle. Okay. And then I will just edit the title as blue and white, then apply, then OK. Then I will just change the format. Just right click on format, then click on sheet, worksheet, make it as 10, bold, black, not black, white. Okay. Then click on this one, make the worksheet as black. Yeah, it looks good. Then click on this and make the grid line as none. Okay, see, your bomb chart with circle is ready now. Okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.